Question number 2 of exercise 8.3. Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum. PA means per annum, compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Now the years are written like 2 years is written, it is complete, but months are mentioned. For these months, whenever the months are given like this, 4 month, 3 month, what we will do is, for these years we will find the compound interest using the formula A is equals to P1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. But for these months, what we will do is, we will find the simple interest for these months. Now see how. The the principal which she has borrowed is rupees 26,400. The rate of interest is 15%. Okay, and the time period is 2 years and 4 months. Okay, so in this case, what we will do is, first of all, we'll find for 2 years the amount which will come using this formula. Okay, P is 26,400, 1 plus R is 15% upon 100, N is 2 years. Okay, now let's solve it. Here we will take the LCM, it will become 100. Okay, 100 plus 15 upon 100. We have to take LCM here. Now it will become 115 upon 100 whole to the power 2, which means we will write this 2 times. Okay, now two zeros can be cancelled. Now we can divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 we can divide. 2 25s are, 2 6 are 12, 1 is carried, 2 6 are 12. Now you can't further divide this, but here you can see there is 5. Here also 5, it can be divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Again with 5 you can cut. Now what is left? 66 into 23 into 23. Now 23 is 2 times and square of 23 is 529. Now multiply 529 with 66. 6 into 9 is 54. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 5, 17. 1 is carried. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31. Same numbers will come because it is same here. So 4, 7, 1, 3. Same numbers will come. 4, 7 and 4 is 11. 8, 9. 3 and 1, 4 and 3. This is what is coming. 3, 4, 9, 1, 4 as the amount after 2 years. This is the amount after 2 years. But we have to find the amount after 2 years and 4 months. Now for the next 4 months, now suppose 2 years is completed here. Now for the next 2 months, what we will do is, the amount will become the principal. As I told you in the compound interest, what happen is that every year we get the new principal, which is the amount of the previous year. So this amount will become the principal for the next 4 months. And we have to find for that the simple interest, because it is only for 4 months. Okay, so principal is now 34914 into rate is 15% and time is 4 months. Now this 4 months, how can we write 4 months? You can't write here 4, you have to write 4 upon 12 because it is out of 12 months. Okay, in the form of year you have to write 4 by 12. In 1 year there are 12 months, so it is 4 by 12. Okay, now reduce it. 4 3s are, 3 5s are. Okay, multiply 3 4 914 with 5. Okay, now 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 24, 2, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, and this is what will come. 1 7 4 5 0.70 upon 100, and upon 100 means we can put a decimal here. This is what is the simple interest, 1745.70. But they are not asking the simple interest, they are asking what is the amount she has to pay. This is the amount she has to pay after 2 years, and this is after 4 months. Add these two. Okay, so total amount will be, after adding these two, let's add 34914 with 1745.70. You can put a decimal here and put 2 zeros. Just add it. 5 and 4 is 9. 4 1 5. 9 and 7 16. 1. This will become 6. And this 36659.70. This is the total amount she has to pay after 2 years and 4 months. Okay.